This is our co-room section. Give you a brief introduction about our co-room. Now to start, we have 3 different types of doors. We have this standard model over here, which is a standard door with a safety valve inside to make sure that when you're stuck inside, you can always push to open the door in case if anybody is stuck inside. Next, over here, we have our sliding door. We can also install it with electricity in case if it's a big door, so we can directly open and close using electronic. These are usually equipped inside of a big cold room. In case if there's a power outage, we can always use our hands to open and close this door as well. Our third type of door is a fully flat door over here. Now comparing to the other door on the other side, this door saves more space and is better at presentation. For outside materials for our cold room, we can either choose stainless steel or a different material according to your budget and for presentation needs. If you need a better presentable open kitchen, then we recommend using a stainless steel outside service for our material. But if it's inside of a commercial kitchen, we can always use more cost-efficient material in order to save the overall budget. After the outside presentation is finished, let's move to the inside of the showroom to look at more details. To start with, we have to look at the floor. For the flooring, we have to choose anti-slip materials so that chefs will not walk into the cold room and accidentally trip and fall. Next, we need to make sure that all the edges inside of our cold room has round edges, which means no dead corners. Staffs can fully clean all the sides of the cold room without leaving any space in case of germs and bacteria might form inside. We have to look at the interior material for our cold room as well. Inside of our cold room, we use food contact level 3 or 4 material for all the areas because we need to make sure that it is completely safe in food safety perspective. If you take a look at our compressor, you might notice that it is smaller comparing to usual compressors. This means that it is more energy efficient and it takes up less space inside of a cold room. Our shelves over here are antibacterial and it's very easy to take it apart for the shipping. We use a special material that can contain 200 kilograms every layer so that the overall weight capacity of these shelves is very strong and durable. The reason we use this material instead of stainless steel is in case if you're in a freezer room, the stainless steel might stick to your hands due to room temperature. Safety always comes first inside of a commercial kitchen. This is why our cold room has a B2 level of fire resistant contact level, which means that in case if there's a fire, this cold room is actually fire resistant and is less likely to burn. We use a material that prevents fire from coming in, and if it burns, it will have a less damage impact. There is also an option for our cold room to have a monitor system so that it can check our temperature inside of our cold room, our compressor temperature, and its power consuming status. In case if anything is wrong with the cold room, the app will send alerts and to have background information, and we can directly know what is wrong with our cold room so we can accordingly do maintenance or replace some spare parts for our cold room. Now you have a better visual view for our cold room. Please contact us for more information and send us your drawing or the size requirement for your cold room, and let's set up your cold room together.